Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy ideas for beautiful ideas for coffee lovers, tea lovers, beautiful tea cozy ideas, coffee cozy, most demanding collection. So beautiful ideas, beautiful and different ideas, different colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing, mind blowing pattern, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. You can see many more ideas about crochet pattern like crochet dresses, crochet jewelry, handbag, beautiful fingerless glove design, dishcloth, and different designing. Very nice. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. And good comment section. Press the bell icon, like and share my video with your family friends. Follow my channel. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz.